Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the poem I Can. The poem is about a girl. Now, the girl is able to tie her shoelaces, brush her hair, take a bath and wipe her body, and also now she is able to fasten her frock and put up the socks, dress herself, brush her teeth, and wash her hands as well as the face. Okay? So the poem goes like this: I can tie my shoelaces, I can brush my hair, I can wash my face and hands and dry myself with care. I can clean my teeth and fasten up my frocks. I can dress all by myself and pull up both my socks. Okay? That is about the poem we discussed in our last session. In today's session, children, we will discuss the bits of this poem. So here, enjoy the poem. Bit A. Which of these actions can you do? Circle the words. So here few words are given. Which actions you are able to do, you can do, you have to circle. So this is homework for you. Here the words are read, eat, sing, talk, laugh, swim, bake, run, drive. So the words are read, eat, sing, talk, laugh, swim, bake, run, drive. These are the 9 words. Out of these 9 words, which actions can you do that you circle? For example, read. Now you are able to read, so you can circle it. Now, next word is eat. You can eat. This action can be done by you. So, circle eat like that. For example, you can sing a song. If you are able to sing, you circle it. Talk. Yes, you can talk. Laugh. You can laugh. Swim. This. Whether if you can swim, then circle it. Now, if you are not able to swim, then leave the word. Next, bake. Bake a cake. Now, if you can bake a cake in the oven or else on the stove, then it's okay. You circle it or else leave it. Next word is run. Now, if you are able to run, then circle it. Drive. Can you drive the car? No. Okay. Your bicycle or your small car you can drive within your house. That is the toy car. You can drive it. Then circle it. Okay, children? So this is homework for you. What the actions you can do, you can circle it. Next, bit B, children. Read aloud with your teacher. Now here the words are given. The sound words, that is BL sound words, BR sound words, CL, CR sound words are given here in the cloud. You have to read along with me loudly. Now I'll spell out these words, children. I'll read out the words. You also read along with me loudly. Okay? Now here. BLACK black. BLANK blank. BLEAT bleed. BLOOM bloom. BLUE blue. Black, blank, bleed, bloom, blue. Okay? Now next, BR sound words, children. BREAD bread. BREAK break. BRICK brick. BRUSH brush. BROOM broom. Bread, break, brick, brush, broom. Okay. Now next CL sound words, children. CLAP, clap. CLASS, class. CLEAN, clean. CLEVER, clever. CLOWN, clone. Clap, class, clean, clever, clone. Okay. Now CR sound words, children. CRAB, crab. CRACK, crack. CROP, crop. CROWN, crone. CRY, cry. Crab, crack, crop, crone, cry. Okay. Now once we'll read all the words in the cloud, children. All if you read along with me. Read loudly, children. Black, blank, bleat, bloom, blue. Bread, break, brick, brush, broom. Next, clap, class, clean, clever, clone. Crab, crack, crop, crone, cry. Okay, is it clear, children? Now next, last bit of this poem, children. Fun time. In fun time, bit C, who can do what? Color the boxes. So here the names of the names are given here, the pictures are given, and the action words are given. For example, here a baby is there and the action words are cry, crawl, fly, laugh. Now the baby can cry, can crawl and can laugh, but the baby can't fly. So that's why the actions which the baby can do are colored with blue color. Cry, crawl, laugh, the baby can do. So those boxes are colored. Now baby couldn't fly. That's why the box fly is not colored. In the same way, here the pictures are given and the action words are given against the picture. Now what do they can do? You have to color it. Okay. Here the picture, children. In second one, the picture in the box is, what is this? It's a bird. It is a bird. Okay. And the action words are here fly, hop, read, sing. Fly, hop, read, sing. Now here, what can a bird do? If a bird is able to fly, you should circle. Hop means jumping. Yes, the bird can fly, the bird can hop, the bird can sing, but the bird couldn't read. It is not able to read. So don't color this box. Color the box which had fly, hop, sing. Okay, we'll use green color to color it, children. So you can choose any of your favorite color and color it. Okay. So a bird can fly. Then a bird can hop. Hop means jump. So a bird can jump. Next, a bird couldn't read. So we will leave that box and we'll move on to the last box, that is a bird can sing. Okay, sing. Now next, third one, children. Here, what is this picture, children? It is a dog. What is it? It is a dog. And here the action words are write, bark, run, sleep. Write, bark, run, sleep. Here, what can a dog do, children? Can a dog write? No. Can a dog bark? Yes. A dog barks. So you have to color this box. Then run. Yes, the dog can run. Sleep. Yes, the dog can sleep. So a dog can bark, a dog can run, and a dog can sleep. So we will color the boxes with dark, run, and sleep. Okay. So we'll use another color, children. We'll use red color to color it. So you can choose your favorite colors and color it. Color neatly, children, all of you. Next, run. Yes, a dog can run. And the last box is sleep. Yes, dog sleeps. So color it. Okay. Now next we'll move on to the fourth one, children. Here we'll write the words bark, run, sleep. Yes. Now fourth one, children. What is this picture? It is a duck. What is it? It is a duck. And the action words are swim, talk, quack, meow. Swim, talk, quack, meow. Now, can a duck swim? Yes, now already it is swimming in water. So, duck can swim. Talk? No, bird. Ducks do not talk. Quack? Yes, the sound made by a duck is called as quack. Meow? No, cat will say meow. So here the words the duck can do are swim, quack. So circle both the boxes, children, swim and quack. So we'll use another color. We'll use yellow color here. Yes, quack. Now, at last, what is the last picture, children? It's monkey. What is it? Monkey. It is a monkey. See the tail of the monkey. Here the words are climb, read, sing, jump. Climb, read, sing, jump. Yes, a monkey can climb. Monkey climbs a tree. Read, no, monkey don't know how to read. Sing, monkey can't sing. Jump, yes, monkey can jump. So circle the boxes. Climb and jump. That is the first box and the last box. Okay. Now we'll use green color to color it. So yes, Now the last box, children. Okay. Okay. That is about bit C. Who can do what? Okay, children. Here, a baby can cry, crawl, and laugh. A bird can fly, hop, and sing. A dog can bark, run, and sleep. A duck can swim and quack. A monkey can climb and jump. Okay. Now with this we have completed all the bits of the poem I Can. Now coming to today's your homework, children. Read all the bits of the poem I Can. Read out the words. Okay. Read out the words properly and complete fun time in your textbook. Okay, children. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.